Desonier State Nature Preserve in Coolville, Ohio. Family and I will be doing a nice little day hike here. Ooh, bird up there. There's a bird nest. So we'll be following the trail here. We're in the parking lot here. Go around, do a nice loop. There's a little spur here too. So it's a 2.5 mile loop. And this little spur, it'll make it a total of about a 2.7 mile day. So here we go. We'll head out on the trail. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
All right. Savannah, you ready for your hike?
Look, Savannah.
You got your ferry?
Oh, here you go.
All right, let's hit the trail. You remember this place?
Not really.
Oh, it's been a while. It's this way, honey. So we'll take the Oak Ridge Trail to the High Meadow Trail, which is the spur. And then we'll get back on the Oak Ridge Trail and finish up the loop. It's in the 50s and it's a Saturday, but nobody else is out here except for one other car and they're getting ready to leave. So looks like a perfect place to be. Social distancing.
Water.
Yeah.
But it's pretty to look at.
It's muddy in here.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a trail.
Yeah, take the trail, guys. There you go.
Yeah, just watch the thorns. There you go.
There's some mud for you, Savannah.
Oh, golly.
Good job. You like the bridges? Dirt? The trail?
No.
Is it the big tree?
Mommy got it.
All right.
Maybe you can get the next one.
I hope so. Why don't you go again, Savannah?
Okay. I saw something with my little eye, and it is green.
This moss.
Daddy got it.
All right. I spy something with my little eye, and it is blue.
Wow, that's a tricky one.
My
Mommy's pants.
Yep, you both got it. It's funny. Yeah. Looks like there's more up there too.
Mommy, we're taking a picture before you leave us.
Spur trail. Not a lot to see, so yeah, just up to a person if they wanted to come out here just to get an extra little bit added to the hike. It adds not quite a half mile to the loop, but you know, there's definitely some nice vegetation and growing in and stuff, so really pretty. And you're moving. She wants to win. Yeah, she wants to win the prize. Whoever reaches the intersection of the trails at the top gets 2 M&Ms. First and last doesn't get any, which is now me. Ah! What's in that bag?
Bunnies and marshmallows and M&Ms.
Ooh, So graham cracker bunnies, thank you. Trail s'mores.
Use your stick, babe.
Oh, 3 legs. That's a trick.
You're doing a great job. Great job.
There you go. Good job.
You gotta get up there.
That's right.
Project was made through your gifts for the Natural Areas Checkoff Program. Thanks, Ohio. There's that tongue sticking out. The big hill. Big hill.
That's right, girl. You can do it. Good job.
Well done, guys.
Woohoo!
Can you do it? Can you jump across there? There you go.
Good job. Way to go.
And I got up the hill, too.
You did. I picked up a hitchhiker on this trail. How'd you get on my shoulders? Did you climb up here?
Yes! with sneaking on you.
Sneaked on me.
Uh-huh.
About just under a half a mile left probably. So somebody wanted a little lift and I thought they'd earned it. So we'll keep on heading down the trail with an extra load on my back. Mommy, I hope you don't want to ride too.
Yeah, Mama does want to ride.
Oh boy.
Mommy, we're looking at the view. Do you want to look?
Yeah.
It's nice walking in water.
It is.
Except when you walk around and it's cold everywhere.
That's right.
I'm stronger than the water.
Made it across.
Yeah.
That's moving fast and it's getting deeper.
My feet are wet.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
The water's almost faster than my shoes.
Good job.
We did it. Now we're gonna walk back in. I'm almost there to you guys.
You did it. Give me 5. So much fun in that creek, it was hard to leave. Got to start heading back home and stop for some ice cream and get ready for Easter Sunday. Desonier State Nature Preserve.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so it was a good day.
Yes.
Had lots of fun. Thanks for joining Journey on the Trail.
Bye.
Bye.